Today we're going to make some rope. I need some rope to build a trap for a snare, and I'm going to use this cedar bark to make the rope with. The nice thing about the cedar bark, it comes in long strands with good fiber for a good strong rope. What I'm going to use is the cambium layer here that is trapped between the wood of the tree and the outer bark of the tree. So we'll just cut that off. I cut a piece off here about 4 feet long, and that's where I'm going to start my rope.
And I'm going to create a rope for our trap. One of the things we want to do is we're going to take our long piece and we are going to find the center of it, and then I'm going to double it up in that area, and I'm doubling it up to give it a little more strength to my rope for the trap. And it's going to be a part of the snare. I'm going to have this is going to make it a natural. What I'm taking, I'm just twisting that layer in. The nice thing about cedar is it has that sap in it. You can get long fibers, but with the sap in there, it's almost like a glue on there when it gets wet, and it really holds tight together. Once you have it wrapped, now you can fold it in half. And then it's just a matter of holding the center, giving it a twist, and reaching under and twisting back. And then you give it a twist, reach under and come back, keeping hold of this section right here. So I doubled it up here for the loop, but I'm holding it here and I'm giving it a twist. So I'm twisting it clockwise, then I reach right under, pinch that one, and bring it back. Again, the next under. Nice thing about cedar is it has a lot of fibers, sort of like hemp, and it's very flexible. It doesn't rot when it gets wet. Well, the rope has gotten about a foot long, and I want to add some more into it. So what we're going to do when we get down to about 6 inches left, I'll just take another strand and I'll just set it on top of this strand, and I'm just going to twist it together. And again, I'm just going to reach, once I twist it, reach under and give it a twist, and then just continue that same process with another piece doubled up. Again, the sap that's in this bark really acts nice as a gluing agent to hold this all together, so when you twist it, the twist stays nice and tight. So I'm twisting this clockwise, reaching under and coming back counterclockwise. All right, I made a rope. It's about 5 feet long, I would say. I got a loop on one end here, and overall, pretty strong piece of rope.